Welcome to Agribusiness Talk on Voices of the Soul, Africa.
My name is Soli Muloko. I'm a descendant of the family that originally bought this land we call Molute City in 1874. We started in 2017 with two houses that were housing 10,200 chickens. But we soon realized that in this industry, unless you are sufficiently big, you are never going to make a sustainable business. So we moved on to procure other additional 4 houses, which in total housed 66,000 by 2018. And fortunately, we did join Top Lay towards the end of 2017, which also assisted us to access some of the markets that we couldn't on our own.
My name is Ofentse Moloko. I'm the son of Soli Moloko and Reboni Moloko, who are the founders of BARAMAKAMA Investment, the owner of BARAMAKAMA Poultry. Today, we have a total capacity of 276,000 layers. We've got 6 manual houses and 6 fully automated houses. We are currently producing about 230,000 eggs a day with a grading machine, Sanova grading machine that has a capacity of 45,000 eggs an hour. The vision we have for BARAMAKAMA Poultry is a simple one. It is to build a legacy where we will convert a community which had basically zero employment and drive that to 100% employment. I think we're an example of what can be achieved if we've got the right partnership. Similar to what we've been able to achieve with Top Lay and what we're working with, we are working towards building the network of markets that we're able to enter.
My message is that have a vision and commit to the vision and believe in your vision. Nobody must tell you can't. If you have passion, you'll succeed because you won't give up. You must give it enough effort, energy and time to succeed. Success is sweet, but you work and earn it, and anything that you work hard for and you succeed, you feel good.
Voices of the Soul.